Hi everyone, my name is Catherine and today I am doing another stencily painty paper. I have got this, which I don't know if you can see, but has a very faint stamped pattern from a placemat, and I want to make that brighter and dress it up a little bit more. So I've got the paper itself, and I've got my placemat, which turned more green than the paper did, and I want to just kind of line it back up underneath. And I used ink the first time, which turned out alright, but like you saw on the paper, didn't show up very well. So I think I want to try doing paint through it this time. That's the word I'm looking for. And I've got this not violet, what is this? It's a Folk Art Purple Lilac acrylic paint. So let's see if we can't get it open. It is brand new. Excuse me while I just use my teeth to open this. Plastic. It does not taste as well as you think it will. Oh, should probably shake it up first. Shake it up, and there we go. Squeeze it onto a bit of plastic and put a stencil brush into it, and then set that out of the way, tap the brush out, and then just start in the middle and tap outward. See if we can't get something kind of nice out of this. This is mostly going to be tapping, guys. Just letting you know. Go. Okay. Let's lift this up. Oh, I like that. Pull the paper out from underneath and lay our Placemat stencil back down. Have a look at that. I like that. I might just leave that as it is. That turned out nicely. Before our stencil dries, let's grab another piece of paper. And lay it on top and smooth it down and see if we can't get a negative of the thing. Okay. That's okay. Not a particular fan of it. I'll probably end up putting something else over this, but it turned out all right. Kind of stitchy almost. Well, let's lay it back down and see if we can't get a little something different. Ooh, that shook the table. Well, that picked up a little more. One last try right there, maybe. All right. I think that's about what I'm going to get on this page. This is pretty much dry. So I'm going to set this aside. I'll have to wash it. And that gives us two papers. I definitely like this one a lot. I like how well defined it turned out. All that tapping with the stencil brush was a lot of work, but I like how clear it turned out. I might try getting a tiny roller and rolling it over it and see if that lays the paint down as well, because it would definitely be faster. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any better techniques or ideas on how to get stencils to lay pretty patterns on paper. But as it stands for now, that's what I got. I'm still starting out with this stencils thing, but I think it's turning out pretty well. And I will see you guys all later. Bye.